food but can't take it. It's there, they have to make it. It's in their leaves, they make it. It's photosynthesis. In the leaves you cannot see the chloroplast so tiny, making food for energy, and here's their recipe. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and it's finally done. There's sugar and oxygen from water, air and sun. That's photosynthesis. Hi there kids, have you guessed what we're learning today? That's right, photosynthesis. I will see you later. Let's head over to Teacher Dana now.
Hello, I'm Teacher Dana. Today I'm going to talk about the objectives. So, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe and explain the process of photosynthesis. You will also be able to identify the key terms relating to photosynthesis. Our main goal is for you to create a model showing the process of photosynthesis through using recyclable material. Now, let's have some fun!
Hi there kids, and welcome to our classroom. Today we are going to be learning about photosynthesis. In the beautiful world around us, we use oxygen to breathe. Can you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out? Fun fact, plants not only make food for us to eat, but oxygen for us to breathe.
No ways, that's amazing!
Yes, this process is called photosynthesis. Let's hand over to Teacher Michaela, Teacher Megan for more.
Hello, this is Teacher Michaela again. We are going to be looking at what you will need to make a model showing the process of photosynthesis. Let's have a look. We're going to start with some cotton. Then we're going to need some glue, cookies, a pen, some scissors to cut, a ruler, styrofoam for your sun, colorful paper, blue. Then we're going to need some colorful green paper to cut out some leaves, brown paper. If you have straws, that would be great. And then some more green paper and blue paper. Let's see if Teacher Megan can put it all together. Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you, Teacher Megan. Let's take it back to Teacher Amy.
Thank you, Teacher Michaela and Teacher Megan, for this beautiful model. Let's make good use of it. It's time to learn more about photosynthesis. Just like you need food to get healthy and strong, so do plants. Plants cannot eat food though. So how do they get their food? They make it. Just like how you make a cake, you need ingredients, which would be your input components, and the cake that is made, which is your output components. Let's look at the input components and output components for photosynthesis. The output components for photosynthesis would be oxygen and sugar. The input components for photosynthesis would be sunlight, carbon dioxide, minerals, water, and lastly, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, that's a big word. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the pigment in leaves that gives it its green color. Wow, that's amazing.
Oh, excuse me, Teacher Amy.
Yes?
I'm a little confused. What actually is photosynthesis though?
That is an interesting question. Teacher Megan!
Yoo-hoo!
Hi, Teacher Megan.
Hi, Teacher Amy.
What are you going to be teaching us today? Well, today I'll be teaching you kids about the process of photosynthesis. Wow, that's so interesting. I guess I'll see you later. Bye for now. Bye, Teacher Amy.
So, how does photosynthesis take place? Well, a plant is anchored in the ground by their roots. Now, through the roots, the plant absorbs water and minerals.
Yes, as I was saying.
Wait, Teacher Megan,
Yes.
how does the water get all the way from the bottom to the top?
Well, have you ever been really thirsty?
Yes.
Well, just like that, plants are thirsty. And as you would use a straw to drink your milkshake up, the roots in the plants act like straws so that the plant can drink up all the water and minerals, carrying it up through the branches into the leaves.
Ah, that makes sense.
So now that we've got that out of the way, let's carry on. So just like we have noses to breathe, plants have little holes in their leaves called stomata. Now, these little holes take in the carbon dioxide all around them. So let's now go back to the input materials. Now, firstly, we have water, minerals, carbon dioxide. When the plants take in these ingredients, it forms the raw sap within the plant. Now, it's chlorophyll's time to shine. Now, when chlorophyll has all these elements coming into the plant as well as sunlight, something magical happens. The raw sap within the plant is then transformed into elaborated sap, otherwise known as glucose, which is your sugar. Now, the sap flows through the whole plant, giving it energy. Now, elaborated sap can either be stored in the plant's roots or in the fruit, like an apple. Now, why is photosynthesis important? Through photosynthesis, plants give us food to eat and air to breathe. And that is it, kids, the process of photosynthesis.
Hi guys, it's Teacher Samari. Let's see what we have learned today. Can you tell me the process all living things depend on for energy? Let's think. Teacher Dana, can you perhaps help?
Yes, photosynthesis.
Well done, guys. Let's move on to question 2. Can you name the 4 input components of photosynthesis? Let's think. Teacher Dana, can you help?
Of course, sunlight, carbon dioxide, minerals, and water.
Thank you. Well done. Last question. Do you know the 2 output components of photosynthesis? Let's think. Teacher Dana, can you help?
Oxygen and sugar.
Well done, guys. Over to Teacher Tiffany.
Hi kids, let's do a quick recap on photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process that plants use to make their own food, to grow and develop. There are 4 elements that are needed for photosynthesis to take place, and these are sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. Remember, chlorophyll is what gives the plants its green color. A plant gets anchored into the ground by its roots. Food and water within the soil gets absorbed through the roots of the plants. Water and minerals then make its way up the stem of the plant and into the leaves of the plants. So the leaves have tiny little pores, and these pores are called stomata. So remember, stomata is tiny little pores found on the leaf that absorbs carbon dioxide from the air surrounding the plant. Water, minerals, and carbon dioxide all make up raw sap. Then chlorophyll comes into play, and it transforms the raw sap into elaborate sap, also known as glucose. The sap then flows through the entire plant, giving it energy. Elaborate sap can be stored in 2 places. Number 1, the root of the plant. For example, beetroot. The second place where it can be stored in is fruit. For example, an apple. So remember kids, plants give us humans food to eat and air to breathe. So it's important to always keep plants within your household. It's extra oxygen, and to not cut down trees that are surrounding us. So there we go kids, that is the entire process of photosynthesis and what photosynthesis is. I hope you enjoyed watching and that you learned something today. Bye!